Sir, my name is John.
Once I'm here actor, there is no way I was a team about baby. What you say?
Okay.
I had here for parliamentaries, they made me declare.
Okay.
Say John Dumelo. Say so called Gum. So called NPP. So about NDC. Where you me hunipa.
Okay.
Multimedia, I've declared. I have the pictures there.
So, all kinds of David Osane Calibos Munina. So, almost your almost almost go for Malidia.
Malidia, you're good. Because Malidia and so you'll be a Martin who has some so a year to my pa. As I say, Yamimfa, Nikun Crency.
Aha, Poleeno Multimedia, Mediane Armstrong Poleeno a day. So subscribe to the channel now. Wadaroma. Subscribe to here. Click the bell notification. It's gonna be anytime you drop any video, you get it straight. Call Instagram. Say them get me phone. Fa. Neko Instagram. Neko Poleeno_com. Poleeno_com. Ne follow your also. Because if you make sure say they will use you data, you know, at the some for so bro. Either so best share and I say be educate you and I say be inform you about something. Then John Dumelo. MP, I mean, Ayawaso MP or pay when you know. And some be and a buy and go for be true she saving go for strain and go for bra. I mean, election or more parts about every year. Wajiatum initially no so engine to or here recount. Na she say no wajiatum say or the abasobody no ama or more vote man no. Ene omo support ni nyina na de on nsem bitudwa eno na me pese ye biem John Dumelo a kire se oye indeed very matured what you say na o kan sem bebre o say 2004 na o K University o ko pre K University Queen's or ebia wa ko K University and answer wa visit K University be on Queen's or o stand for secretarial I mean position when ya in 2005 the following year no and I stand for Civil Engineering Students Association I mean organization secretariat organizing secretariat and no or FI or any and also in 2019 no last year and I already parliamentary of NDC and at 2020 the 7th December no I mean niti anye and I Olusi for the seat na or pray for Ayawaso MP no na ose nukreni ensem na de ntia odi we nyina buy no like the past school days no e buy no say nipa say otu anamon bi na wo hwe ase a enche se we ano no se wo hwe ase a sorry ne hu say oh ade we na ye me fault ha na ye me fault until when you are coming back you're coming back harder until you say ade we me nye bi ma ade we me repeat say na me kɔ no ha until obeso o kire say 2004 na one win no I'm buna bem. The following year, I call for a different position and then 2019, I call for NDC no one touch. Or buy you was on and we'll lose here. Now the opposite can you say, even though we'll lose here because when you say I was on a MPP stronghold. Pa, what I say? MPP stronghold. Now I know I call then I call Dom NDC Kunina, what's me a banner still now. I mean, Gab no na and yet be breeze. Be 2000 votes sound up as because when you have over 37,000 votes and I'm mali the enya like 38,000 to 39,000 votes na or the FI now person what say or there will be biara ase say or boano I mean our kotomano I mean obia or supporting on the team the crew election team ni nyina no o ma obi biara election team ni nyina no or the obi biara say na ensema o sa kan ne say watimi enya small margin say bia na say wo hu say e wo so koyi ne homework yi nanso no entwa ho na no nkire say ne etibo na obo no I mean e mati na wo ye no ene fufu a wo no ene ado a no dodo ne walantin butcher na hihye na odi tietia from solve problems no and no nkire say obejai ne mo no even though we lose there but still na obe touch lives and souls e wo Ghana ha obe travel around to help the people who are less privileged. I mean, this is wonderful. This is one of the things I me really am say John very deep and then the kind say obeye adwuma till se mo beto ama na wo behu se adwuma no indeed ni vote na mo de ama no worth because the bema mo back to back obeye adwuma na mo say yeah indeed se ne mo vote ma no saa pepepe na obeye ama mo adwuma wo so oye na obeye nya se bia election nti na onenam a wo hyehye walanti mu no be so o chese walanti mu tinu kra no wato chaw egu ho na ode ensem to dwa se ne colleague actors ne actress no odobi biara se even though one shada to nsan free bi mu but ebi mu be supporting the hard one here on Mr. Beautiful and then couple of them no na omo to ne ayawa so place on no na caliber so den send me to just say ono de ono John very cool but John statement no one bo the other side no more supporting other opponents no one can e wasem so e hono de yen fan to nche na ye heso asalinko ani miami interview no during election day no okoto aba o ka say ye ono de otoma ni nua because onim de ni nua na ebetimi aye even though my leader so born homoden but ono no say oni ni nua wa adwuma mu no de ye say efie ni fie enka nche say abontensofo emefa nkodi nti ono de enu nti no otoma ni nua aha Poleeno Multimedia. Subscribe to the channel and send me anytime you drop in a video be and you get it straight. Ko Instagram Poleeno_com ne follow you. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno ade. Next time you will say bye bye.
Sir, my name is John.
Once I'm a actor there. There is no way I was a me team up baby. What you say?
Okay.
I had here for parliamentaries they made me declare.
Okay.
Sir John Dumelo. Sir Okogum. So called NPP. So about NDC where you hunipa.
Okay.
Multimedia I've declared. I have the pictures there.
So o kan sa so David Osane Calibos Munina. So almost your almost almost go for Malidia.
Malidia is good. Because Malidia and so you'll be a Martin who has some so a year to my pa. As I say, Yamimfa Nikun I've really admired her.
Okay.
Say a Numa warrior, but I've shown my vote on the parliamentary side that John Dumelo is really into me because he's an actor. He's my colleague in the industry, so I can't hide my vote from him. He likes me whenever he meets me, so I like it. John, I love you.
So are you encouraging other people voting here to vote for him, right?
No, I wouldn't encourage anyone. This is my passion for him. Okay. So anyone who wants to vote around Ayawa Sowegon, you are,
free to vote for anyone.
You are free to vote for anyone you like.
Okay.
This is my opinion and my mind on behalf of John Dumelo.
Okay.
I've declared it.